Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to make a button transparent in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to add a button widget, right? And for adding a button widget, you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on the top and click on plus icon, and here you can simply search for button. And here I'm just dragging and dropping this button in this container. Okay, the button have been added. Now I'm going to edit this button. So in the left side toolbar, as you can see, there are three kinds of setting: the content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. So we are moving to the style setting, and here, as you can see, you will find the color option. You can simply click on color option, and here you can simply make your button transparent. Okay, so after clicking the color option, the color palette would appear in front of you, and you can simply decrease the transparency of the color, and as you can see, the button have been changed to a transparent button. So this is how you can add a transparent button in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.